Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something hot at the moment. Enjin's prediction for the future after the problems it has had. Check out our videos if you're new to crypto and want to learn the fundamentals of how it works. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button on the left. Also, please turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Enjin Coin expectation. The latest price for Enjin Coin is currently 78 cents. The highest price in the last 24 hours was 90 cents and the lowest price within 24 hours was 74 cents. Enjin Coin has now established itself as a serious project among all the blockchain and crypto projects. In this video, we will therefore talk a bit more about the Enjin Coin price expectation, what the latest Enjin Coin news is, what the Enjin Coin is, and go into a bit more detail about the expectations of Enjin Coin. Disclaimer: note that it is important to do your own research and always remember your decision to invest in Cardano or any other coin depends on your attitude to risk, your expertise in the market, the spread of your investment portfolio, and how comfortable you feel about losing money. You should never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. What is Enjin Coin? Enjin is a Singapore-based technology company that provides game community building services and services for blockchain game developers. Enjin offers a suite of tools based on a web interface that supports Ethereum digital assets in the form of ERC-1155 tokens. Enjin also has a virtual goods marketplace for digital assets on Ethereum. Enjin was originally founded in 2009 when it launched the Enjin Network, a community gaming platform. The Enjin Network service is still operational today and allows individuals to build websites, forums, and apps for gamers. In 2017, the company pivoted into the blockchain industry after an initial coin offering, ICO, that raised $18.9 million. Since launching its ERC-20 token, Enjin Coin, ENJ, the company has built its own set of blockchain tools and services. Enjin switches from Ethereum to Polkadot. Enjin has been a major player in the NFT market since 2017 and developed the ERC-1155 standard for Ethereum, ETH. This is the standard used for many NFTs. Enjin also has its own token, called the Enjin Coin, ENJ. However, its value has fallen by more than 70% since its all-time high, ATH, in November, but that is true of most crypto, especially from the metaverse sector. Enjin is switching to Polkadot because of the low energy consumption of this network and the high transaction costs on Ethereum. With Efinity, Enjin wants to become the home for more than 100 blockchain computer games. The first game is Crypto Blades, a so-called play-to-earn NFT game with more than 1 million players. The game is already popular on blockchains like Binance's BNB chain. Efinity also has its own token, called Efinity Token, EFI. However, its value is even 90% below its ATH from early August. Nevertheless, expectations of Efinity are very high. Enjin held funding rounds for the project last year and raised $19 million last April and as much as $100 million in November. The price of ENJ then shot up by as much as 19% in a matter of minutes. This week, we still see little action with the price, but that goes for almost all crypto in this currently uncertain market. Enjin Coin's price forecast, 2022 to 2025. Enjin Coin is a rapidly growing cryptocurrency. Enjin Coin has a growing community, more developers working on the project, and is working on more partnerships. This all leads to more people and companies using Enjin Coin, which is ultimately very positive for the price in the long term. Forecasting the price of Enjin Coin is very difficult, just like the stock market, because it is largely influenced by the market. However, by looking at the realized developments, new plans, new partnerships, and other important things that affect the price, one can see where it might go. An exact Enjin Coin prediction price is not possible. Many investors are also more likely to look at a time frame of around 5 years and not at short-term prices, as these can often be very volatile. To really look ahead what the Enjin Coin price expectation of 2025 is very difficult. Like any investment, cryptocurrencies come with risks and price changes can be very volatile in the meantime. Because in the short term there can always be obstacles, such as not meeting a deadline of a new development or a modification of a product, but in the long term the project always develops further. If the project can live up to much of what they indicate and want to realize, then there is a chance for a positive price increase according to many crypto experts. But there are always risks with crypto and there are no guarantees. Why is Enjin Coin rising? This is of course the most important thing to know. A crypto normally rises when there are positive developments and positive Enjin Coin news about what it is going to be in 2022 and in the further future. The expectation is that people believe it will be used more by individuals and organizations, which may lead to a rise in price, but there are no guarantees. The more adoption there is in general of this crypto, the more this will lead to a price change according to many crypto enthusiasts. But no one can see into the future, so always do your own research. There are still risks involved. Therefore, it is always good to take a look at the current Enjin Coin news to see what kind of impact it will have in the long run. What are our Enjin Coin, ENJ, expectations? As mentioned earlier, it is always difficult to quote an amount where the price will end up in 2022, 2023, 2025 or beyond. But we see many positive developments that will contribute to the project and what influence this will have on the price. When you want to invest in an Enjin Coin, it is always good to look at the current price, the price forecast and the latest news to say something about the future price. A strategy which many people use and which is very safe, is to continuously buy some more each month, so that you do not have everything tied up at once. This way you buy when it goes down, but also when it goes up and you have a nice average. This is of course different for traders who want to make a profit in the short term. For this target group it can be interesting to see what news is coming up regarding the project. Positive developments can lead to a good price increase according to many investors, but this does not always have to be a guarantee. Much also depends on market sentiment and other factors. Outro. With that said, we have come to the end of this video. Would you mind commenting on your thoughts on how this will show a change? If you think these details are helpful, please hit that like button and share this with your friends.